lovely people at Terra Firma have sent me this, their brand new winch with electronic free spool to fit to the Overlander Landy. Let's get on with it. Oh, that's heavy. Now that the old winch is out, let's see what's inside the box. Oh, full of goodies. Don't think we'll be needing those. The first of many boxes. It's one of the cool things about this kit. It comes with 2 remote controls, which can also be wired. Fixtures, fittings, and the wiring. Now, because I'm fitting this winch where my old winch used to be, I probably won't need this. Oh. Nice new, shiny Fairlight. That's going to look pucker. Nearly missed this one. Oh, look at that. This is what I love about Terra Firma. That is a proper bit of kit. I think the first job of the install, this is a solenoid pack, is going to be disconnecting this positive cable and fitting this, my original positive cable. So that's going to need a little modification. Yeet! Here it is in all its glory. The brand new EFS 12.5. That is a proper bit of kit. One of the really nice things on the EFS is that all of the wires are colour coded, which has allowed me to do the wiring quick sharp. The last part of the job is to bolt the winch in place. That is the Terra Firma EFS 12.5 electric winch fitted. I guess the next thing to do is see if it works. Now that my brand new Terra Firma Electronic Free Spool 12.5 winch is fitted, it's time to see it work. First things first, the isolation switch. Everything works from this handy remote control. First you turn it on, press and hold, green light comes on. You should now be able to unlock, green light comes on, free spool, there's a funky noise. Proof is in the pudding, as they say. Now I engage, funky noise, and go in. That is an awesome piece of kit. I suppose now I need to go winch something.